The stamping axe to mark the logs and for the log drives in the spring. And of course, you know, this sawmill may have more than one lumber camp for sure. Yep, tension gear.
So it's a tension gear. This springs.
Yeah, just hold a tension on the rope, and of course, drop this down and this here. And of course, if I just hold a tension on the rope, it just pulls the log right up the ramp. With the set of log tongs on that log down there, and it pulls it right up the ramp. And of course,
speed of the saw. The more water I let on the water wheel, the faster it turns. Ultimately, the faster the saw goes up and down. Try to explain how this works. With that water wheel turning, the wooden gears downstairs you saw are turning, bringing the pivot rod and the saw up and down all the time on its frame. Just underneath of there, the shaft of the pivot rod is rocking this back and forth all the time, along with two arms, one for forward and one for reverse. That's going the whole time the water wheel's turning. If there's anything happening, that's considered idling or neutral. Underneath of there is a big ratchet with a wooden shaft out here in the middle, with two racks of rope on it. That shaft that rope goes up around a pulley and tied off at the end of the carriage, down around another pulley and tied off at the end of the carriage. Now when I lift the lever on the wall of the forward arm drops on the ratchet, so it pushes the ratchet like this, so the whole ratchet and the wooden shaft of the rope turns like this, and it pulls the log in the carriage in the saw, and it comes in the downstroke. Massachusetts is 1623. And here in the mill, our peak sawing time would be in the spring of the year, when the logs are coming down the St. John River in high water. Then this saw blade would be going at close to 150 strokes per minute. That would be production speed. At that speed, it would be a blur. It would be a lot of vibration. So we really don't expect the sawmills to last more than 25 years. They literally shake apart. If you look at the floor, you're going to see wood paving, and that's full of logs in the springtime. And of course, we do need that. There is a string that consider that powers the mill. We do need the floodwaters of spring, and it automatically pulls the log up the ramp here. There's two experienced men in the saw, and they're moving pretty fast. Well, they would be at 150 strokes a minute. And there's another one that would stay on the back to pile lumber and slab wood. So we're working about a 10-hour day from sun up to sundown, so we can get about 2,000 square board feet a day, which is pretty good. We have shipping yards, so we'll sail those down by boat after they've dried a year or barge. Port City, and those deals are going to Boston, New York, Liverpool, and London. They're going all over. And today's October 4th, 1830. So to give you some idea what's going on, there's been 160 ships built this year with an average weight of 480 tons this year alone. No one's by home. But sir, if you're going to buy lumber here, I suggest you buy it in the morning, buy the afternoon. It might get a little bit. And I'll bet there's something else you never thought about here at the mill. And that is, with that saw going at production speed, it's very noisy in here. So within 3 to 5 years, I'll be deaf, but at least when I go home at night, I have a peaceful night's sleep. I get him.